Hello, welcome to another Eagle Successful video. We're going to be testing this TM MK18. This one has come in for repair with a broken piston. Sometimes pistons can break for a multitude of reasons, and often we don't actually ever find out, but this particular one we've replaced with a FPS piston, which is stronger, and at the same time we've also done the piston head. We've also done, so at the customer's request, we've swapped the Highspeed warhead down to a standard speed warhead, hoping that obviously it should provide a bit more longevity if obviously the configuration of the build is too quick for well, just pistons or everything. So we know from obviously testing that the high speed one is fine, normally, but obviously it's compression locks, you know, can happen. Basically they're a brief pause or jam at the hop unit area, where basically the BBs are meant to be obviously going through nice and smoothly, but for some reason it's just a little tighter than normal. Sometimes that's dirt and debris, sometimes that's misshapen BBs, sometimes it's overly tight hop rubbers combined with obviously heavier ammo. Then obviously the system backs up and sometimes pistons can break, or it can just be, well, truth is we'll never know all the reasons, but pistons unfortunately do break. Obviously full metal ones can give you a bit more longevity in that regard, but even they are not invulnerable to continuing problems. But like I say, upgraded piston certainly gives you more of a chance than the stock one that comes with the gun, because when we attach obviously a Lipo batteries, upgraded motors, all these lovely things that make obviously trigger responses faster and rate of fire faster, it's all a lot faster than what the original Maru specification was ever designed for. And obviously unfortunately we can't make everybody sort of buy level 10 packages, so we obviously do packages in bite-sized portions, and sometimes they find the next thing in the chain to break, which is, like I say, the next weakest link. So we've replaced that next weakest link, and hopefully, like I say, we'll demo it working, and everything should be all good. So this ammo is 3s, so it's quite a heavy weight ammo, so we're doing a good test on this one. There we go, so all tested. Like I say, slightly reduced rate of fire, but obviously that should consequently increase reliability, which is obviously paramount for the customer. So hopefully everything's all good for you, and we hope you enjoy. Thank you.